Don't judge me, but okay, here is what a very dirty filter looks like. So you're gonna pop this open. You're gonna pull this out. When you hold it up to like the window or a light and you're kind of looking through this mesh, you can see through it. Okay, and so then when I look through the very dirty filter, it looks very cloudy. You don't want it to look cloudy. If this is looking cloudy, then the air cannot get through here and it's going to affect how the machine is working because it's not getting the proper airflow that it needs. So it is recommended to make sure you're cleaning this filter every 3 to 5 uses of the RevAir. So when you go to clean it, firstly, you'll want to get any loose hair out and throw it away. And then you're gonna want to use Dawn soap and a toothbrush, and you're gonna want to give this a good scrub. So I like to scrub the outside, all of them, and then go on the inside. Make sure you're fully saturating this. You want to make sure this is really, really clean. I always let it soak for a few minutes before rinsing with warm water. Now with this filter, since I purposely let it get really dirty, I am going to put this in the dishwasher because that is the second option you have. You can use it on the top rack, sitting it in there like this in your dishwasher. Once this is dry, you will be able to hold it up to a window in good lighting. You should be able to move it around and see through it. And sometimes you'll be able to actually see like some cloudy area. You need to go work on that again to make sure that you can get that clean so the airflow is not obstructed. If it is, definitely hop on RevAir's website and order a new filter because it's better to be safe than sorry, because these are the life of the machine. This is what keeps it going.